Welcome back to day 5 of our 12 days of Tai Chi. Today we are looking at single whip and the gorgeous cloud hands. So let's start with our single whip. Again, we're going to be doing a heel toe into our bow stance. So let's start with our weight on one foot and we're going to make ourselves a hook by pinching up our finger and thumb together, bringing the other hand palm to elbow. And again, going to direct mine to the corner, so hopefully you can see the turn of the waist and the transfer of weight, as well as the arm movement. So I'm heel toe, and I'm drawing a big rainbow shape to my single whip. And it's a strike, so again, we want our body movement to power that strike through, turning the waist as we transfer the weight and move that arm. Arm movement, the position is here. It's like a half of an X. And I'm looking again, sort of through my fingers and forwards. Lots of focus, single whip. Let's try that again. And let's try it on the other side. So making our hook, and then we're heel toe, palm to elbow, and coming round in that circular motion to our strike. We're going to practice our single whip, turning to the sides with that turning bow stance, just the same footwork as grasping the sparrow's tail. So making our hook, we're doing a heel toe all the way around the corner so that we end up facing the side wall and we strike. Let's try that again. Heel toe, single whip, heel toe, single whip. Let's try it on the other side, remembering to adjust that back foot so you can get all the way around to the side wall. Heel toe, single whip. Our cloud hands. We're going to start in our parallel neutral stance. Bringing one hand up to hold our mirror and turning our body so that we are facing the corner. Other hand on the table. And just turning the waist from one corner to the other. And then doing our wave. Top hand turns out, bottom hand turns up. And we swap the hands. Top hand goes down, bottom hand comes up. So we can repeat it again. And we wave, and we swap, and we follow that top hand, and we wave, and we swap, and we follow that top hand. I'm going to take the feet slightly wider, and then we can add a little transfer of weight from side bow through horse stance over to side bow. Get the cloud hands flowing. We want to remember lots of resistance to this movement, like someone stopping this arm, pushing. And we want to visualise floating through the clouds, pushing those clouds away, making room for sunlight. And slowly it will merge into one. Let's do a few more. So I'm going to add a step to the side. So as we're coming across here, all the weight behind this foot so I can release this foot and step in as I wave. Swap the hands, transferring the weight over, and step this foot out and wave. And then we're going to do no step. So in the Yang 24, we do quite a few over to one side. We're going to practice both ways. So bringing the foot in and then taking the other foot out. And we wave. Transfer, stepping in. Transfer, stepping out. And no step this time so we can change direction. Transfer, stepping in. Transfer, stepping out. No step this time. Finish with a nice wave. We're going to combine single whip and cloud hands. So there's a little tiny transition that we need so that we can face back round to the front to connect the two together. So from our single whip, we rock back, bringing all the weight into the back foot, lifting the toe so that I can turn it round to face the front. And at the same time, this striking hand is going to do a smiley face, a big circular movement to my elbow. I'm going to adjust this foot here by just sliding across and pointing the toe forwards. It's a much safer position for our knees, and as we are practicing our Tai Chi for health, fitness and well-being, it's important to keep nice, safe positioning. I'm then going to wave. And then what I can do from there is go into my cloud hands. So let's just try that again. So from our single whip, we're rocking back, turning to the front, smiley face, and adjust that foot and wave. Then we can swap the hands and we're into our cloud hands. Let's try the other side. So heel toe into your single whip. We're rocking back. We're turning round to the front. Smiley face. Adjust that foot. Get the knees pointing forwards in the direction of the toes. And we wave. We can swap. And then we're into our cloud hands. Let's try one more time. Rock back. Turn to the front. Adjust that foot, we wave, we swap the hands and we're into our cloud hands. Let's see if we can practice that for a few repetitions. Okay, single whip. Rocking back. Wave, cloud hands. Step in. Stepping out. No step this time, let's just wave and make our hook. Heel toe, single whip. Rocking back. Smiley face, adjust that foot and wave. Cloud hands. Stepping in. Stepping out. No step this time, let's just wave. Let's do that again. Single whip. Transition. Wave. Waving hands through clouds. Single whip. Transition back. Wave, cloud hands. One more time. Wonderful work, guys. I shall see you on the next session.